Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to update your Sky controller. You don't have to hook it up to a screen to do this. I'm just doing it just to kind of show you what's going on while the lights are flashing on the controller. So over here in the side, which, sorry, light stinks, but got a USB stick that's got the update on it, and I got the HDMI cable plugged into that right there. So I've switched it on. I've had a time with this. Hopefully this one works. I'll also include a video to help troubleshoot as well. I installed an update earlier, and all it would do is just show Wi-Fi and it wouldn't allow it to connect or anything else. So here we go. It's actually doing the update process, it looks like. Did some reading on the forum and came up with this version. It's ridiculous that Parrot would put something like that on their website just to cause people frustration with their controller. And personally, I don't like that company, Parrot. I mean, I don't think they really are user-friendly at all. I think that's absolutely disgrace how they are with supporting their products and stuff. But, you know, these are like, what, 8 years old or something like that. So, yeah, they're not making money off of them anymore. So why would they want you to be able to play with them, right? It's better to brick your device. Well, hopefully this right here takes care of that. We'll see. It's definitely taking more time than it did the first time. So, let's see what happens. Hopefully it goes back to looking like Sky controller again like it used to. Not seeing it. No, not yet. Now it's rebootificating. I checked that one out on there, and that's what it looks like when that one starts up. So now it's not on that screen, it just says connect to your drone. And would only give a battery indicator light. None of the Wi-Fi lights were on, or the lights for the drone's battery status. Just battery status for the controller. There we go, it's booting up and working now. Wonderful. I was so worried I bricked this thing. My wife would have probably had me hung over that. Got a bunch of red light. No, there we go. There, now it's where it's supposed to be. Where's the Wi-Fi for it? Is it not like loaded that up or something? Basically, on Parrot's website, they're given a 27 megabyte firmware file, whereas the file that I was able to find on a Parrot forum is like 160 megabytes or so. That's absolutely a huge, massive difference. I'm not sure why Parrot is putting that 27 meg file on their website, but it essentially is making these devices useless. So you can go read about it if you want to and find the file on your own if you need to, or you can go to patrickthesalvageguy.com and check out the download section, and under drones you'll be able to find that Sky Controller 1 version 1.7.6 firmware update. Everything there is free, and it's clean of viruses and malware and all that. I don't even have any ads on the website. And speaking of that, check out sharingthetruthandlove.com, where you can read the Bible for free and read about the Lord and Savior Jesus Christ. And may He richly bless and guide you and your families. I hope everybody has a great day. Take care. Love y'all. And please like and subscribe. Any money that I earn on YouTube, 100% of it goes to the homeless in my area. We're trying to provide Bibles, food, and clothing and other items that they need to get through life. So if you're supporting the channel, you're not supporting me. You're supporting other people that don't have anything. So please help them out.